What's the meaning of corroborate? Corroborate. Corroborate.
Corroborate. Corroborate. The word corroborate means to confirm, support or strengthen something by providing evidence or testimony. It is often used in a legal context where proving a case requires the corroborating testimony of credible witnesses. For example, if two witnesses give identical testimony that supports a particular claim, their testimony would be considered corroborative. The overall result of corroborative evidence is to make a claim or argument more convincing and credible by providing additional supporting details or proof. In brief, to corroborate means to provide evidence that confirms or supports a statement or claim.